Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini in Google Sheets. So if you want AI superpowers in Google Sheets, this is your complete guide on how you can use Gemini in Sheets, automate, analyze, and create smarter than ever. Let's just go. So Gemini AI is Google's AI tool built right into Sheets, and it will help you analyze data, write formulas, and even generate tables with plain language. So to get started, you can just open your Google Sheets and look for the Gemini icon, or you can go to the Help Me Organize tab. This is where Gemini lives, and make sure you are using a Google Workspace or Gemini enable account. So here you can see at the top there will be this Gemini icon. You can just click on that, and in here you can just tap on try it out. So as you guys can see here, you need to use the Google One or Google Workspace to be able to use the Google Gemini in Sheets. And here you can just tap on get offer. After that, you can just proceed with the payment and subscribe to the Google One or Google Workspace. And after that, you can freely use Gemini in Google Sheets. You can ask it to create a table. You can let Gemini write formulas for you. And also, you can use Gemini for data insight. So if you want to analyze trends, you can ask Gemini to summarize your data or create charts. And that's how you can use Gemini in Google Sheets like a pro. Hit like if you learned something, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.